Welcome to Tek Science videos. In this video, we are going to learn how to download, install and run Appium Desktop to locate elements for mobile scrapping. I have provided the link for downloading Appium in the description below. In this video, I am using Appium 1.17.0 version. Select the availability for users and click on Install. After installing, the Appium Desktop will be opened. Click on Advanced tab and keep all these default settings and click on Allow Session Override. Now, click on Start Server. The Appium server starts running. Click on Search icon. A new window opens. Now, let's set the desired capabilities for the device in Appium. These are the minimum required capabilities for connecting the device through Appium server. Let's open the Genemotion emulator. Start the Google Nexus 7 virtual device. Now, let's find each of the requirements. First, the device name is Google_Nexus_7_1. The platform name is Android. To find the platform version, click on Settings and click on About Phone. Here, the Android version is given as 5.0. Therefore, the platform version is 5.0. The automation name is UI Automator 2. The automation name differs according to the device. Refer the link below. To find the remaining 2 app package and app activity, we need to install AppInfo app in our virtual device. Click on Play Store app. Click on the network button in the virtual device and switch on the Wi-Fi network. Type AppInfo in the search box and click on Install. I have already installed AppInfo app in my virtual device. Let's go back to the main screen of the virtual device. Click on AppInfo app and find the app name that you wish to scrap. Now, this is the app package. Note down the app package name. Under activities, we can see that there are 11 activities for this particular app package. We are going to use the first activity of this app. Note down the app activity name. Now, we have collected all the desired capabilities of the virtual device in the app. Now, let's go back to the Appium window and copy the property name device name and paste it in the first box. Copy Google_Nexus_7_1 and paste it in the third box. Similarly, copy and paste all the remaining. Now, save the capabilities by clicking on Save As and mention the name as Virtual Device and click on Start Server. The screen shows that the connection between Appium and Easy Currency Converter is successful. Click Refresh button to show current screen. If you click on any of the element in the screen, the Appium will show you the details to locate the element for scrapping. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Tek Science.